Hi everyone, welcome back to SmartTech Junction. If you are thinking, will my PC get upcoming Windows 11 latest update, like Windows is now running 25 has to latest version, or if you want to make your PC for future update like Windows 12 update, then this video is just for you. I will show you how to quickly check if your computer meets all latest requirement for future Windows update. Okay, so for this guys, first I will show you one easy and very simple tool. Okay, use Microsoft PC health check tool to check this. Okay, open any web browser. In the Google, here you need to search PC health check tool. So just click on this first link, download this tool. Okay, so I have already downloaded this, so just double click on this exe file and install it. After successfully installing, just double click and open this, and then simply click on check now, and here you can get the all result whether your device meet the CPU, TPM, secure boot and storage requirement. Okay, cross arrow mark means guys the system requirement does not match this feature. Okay, so you can get every detail about this here. Okay, if your PC is ready for Windows 11 latest update, so as you can see guys, this PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. So guys, in case if your PC meets all system requirement, here you can get the green check mark. Okay, so with this help of tool guys, you can easily able to check this. So for deeper details, you need to download the other app. Open your web browser once again, and in the Google you need to search why not win app. Okay, so just open the first link of GitHub, and here you can get the complete breakdown which component pass or fail for upcoming Windows version. So just download and install this application and run it to get the every detail about the upcoming update or not. If this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe to SmartTech Junction for more tech tutorials and update. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.